What if I told you this tiny creature could be one of the coolest pets or one of the worst mistakes you ever make? Yep, we're talking about scorpions. Some people think they look awesome, others think they're pure nightmare fuel. But here's the real question. Before you say no way, hear me out. Scorpions are quiet, don't need much space, and can survive without attention for days. Sounds easy, right? But there's a catch. Some species can sting painfully, and if you don't know what you're doing, keeping one can turn into a bad idea fast. Let's start with the good stuff. Scorpions are low maintenance. You don't have to walk them, they don't bark, and they barely make any mess. They also look incredibly cool, almost like tiny living dinosaurs. Plus, some pet scorpions can live for several years, which means a long-term pet for exotic animal lovers. Now, the scary part? Scorpions are not cuddly pets. You usually don't handle them because even calm species may sting if they feel stressed or threatened. And no, they're definitely not great for beginners or kids. Also, feeding them live insects like crickets? Yeah, some people are not ready for that. If people do keep a scorpion, many choose the emperor scorpion because it's known for being calmer than many other species. But remember, calmer does not mean harmless. Always do research before getting any exotic pet. If you actually want to buy one of these guys in the US, well, the scorpion itself is surprisingly cheap. If you go for an Asian forest scorpion, which is super common and looks badass, you're looking at around $25 to $40. But if you want the classic emperor scorpion we just talked about, expect to pay a bit more. Usually between $60 and $100, mostly because they're harder to import these days. But don't let that low price tag fool you. The real cost comes from the setup. By the time you buy a 10-gallon glass tank, heating pads, a thermometer, substrate for digging and hiding spots, you're going to spend another $100 to $150 easily. And don't forget the weekly food bill though. To be fair, a bag of crickets will only run you a couple of bucks. So all in, you're looking at about $150 to $250 to get fully up and running. And don't forget to subscribe for more crazy animal facts.